Uber Eats deactivations usually happen for 4 reasons: low completion rate, repeated late deliveries, customer complaints, or account verification issues. That matters because the fix depends entirely on the reason Uber gave you. By the end of this, you'll know how to check why your account got deactivated, how to appeal it, and what actually improves your chances of getting reactivated. First, open the Uber driver app and check your inbox or email. Uber almost always sends a deactivation notice with the exact category. If it says fraud, duplicate account, or document issues, that's different from low ratings or delivery complaints. Start there, because guessing wastes time. If it's a document problem, fix that first. Check your driver's license, insurance, background check status, and profile photo. A lot of drivers get flagged because one document expired or didn't match their legal name. Upload the corrected document before you file an appeal. If it's about low completion or cancellations, your best move is context. Uber tracks patterns. If you canceled because restaurants were closed, orders were already picked up, or customers gave wrong addresses, explain that clearly in the appeal. Keep it short. Specific dates help. .ua. Now, the appeal part. Go into Help inside the app, find Account and App Issues, then choose Account Deactivated. Uber gives you a form. Write exactly what happened. Don't write emotional messages. Write facts. Bad appeal. Please reactivate me. I need this job. Good appeal. My account was flagged after 3 canceled orders on June 14. 2 restaurants were closed and 1 order had an invalid pickup code. I've attached screenshots. That gives support something they can verify. If the app doesn't let you appeal, book an appointment at an Uber Greenlight hub, if one is available in your city. Talking to a real support rep can sometimes move the case faster than email. If the deactivation was for fraud or fake delivery activity, reactivation is much harder. Uber treats that as a serious trust issue. In those cases, evidence matters most: screenshots, GPS logs, and order history. Here's the simple breakdown. Find the exact reason first. Fix any document or verification issues before appealing. Write a short fact-based appeal, with proof. Your next step is to gather every screenshot, delivery timestamp, and support chat before submitting anything. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more delivery app fixes and driver guides.